What's going on, guys? Killer2 here. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to clean your PS4 Slim inside with a lot of dust. If you're hearing this like a loud fan, if you hear this loud fan, that means that you're like there's too much, like there's dust in your place PS4, or if that doesn't work, you gotta replace your thermal paste. So I'm going to show you guys how to clean out your PS4. So first, you need something to take out the dust, which is like a vacuum, like a pumper, like this. I don't know how much this is, like $39.99. Second, toothbrush or a brush that would take out the dust off the V-sinks, the heat sinks. I mean, knife, like any knife. To be honest, don't break it. And a screwdriver that you gotta take it out. So first, you see the front here, make sure you take it out. So just all you hear is like clicking. Make sure you be careful, and yeah, that should be fine. You see a lot of dust on there. This is not my PS4, this is my brother's PS4. He wants the fan to be going away, and you see this. Make sure to grab oh yeah, and you gotta get a torque too. Torx. This is a really weird Torx. So make sure you get. You see these 5. It's like a star, 5 stars instead of 6. So after that, you take these out first. Take this out. That's number 1. So just leave it in the side for now. Make sure that is flat. The second, you don't need this. The second, you need a screwdriver. So just pick the one that it fits into the screws. Oh, never mind. You still need a torque. So you just need to take this out too. The screws right here. Put it in the side. And now you're gonna use the screwdriver. So there is 1, 2, 3 screws on the plate, and on the power supply you gotta take this one and this one out, and you gotta take this one out too. So let me just dig in, and yeah. So all the screws are out. Grab your knife. You see these black spots here? You gotta take these out. So this will take a while for me to take these out. So let's dig in. I just realized, make sure you take off the screws first. Take out the screws. Oh my god, I'm so bad at tutorials. Okay, all of them are off, so make sure to go from the so basically you gotta open this power supply up just a little bit, not like all the way. You can hear some like clicking. If I can grab it, there we go. Okay, so that should be fine. So go from the front there, bam, and there's should be like a thingy here. Let me just put on camera this thing here, and here's all the dust that my brother has in his PlayStation. So after that, make sure you grab a toothbrush and make sure to take out the dust off the fan. You can see there's a lot of dust on there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but make sure you take off the dust off the fan neatly as possible, and I'll get you guys to watch. Yeah. Looks not too bad, but still kind of dirty in there, but doesn't really matter about the fan. It does matter is about the V-sync, the heat sink. I keep saying V-sync, but it's the heat sink. You can see that there's a lot of dirt here, so make sure you take some out. That is a lot of dirt there, a lot of dust. So after that, make sure you grab a toothbrush and go up. Don't go like this because it's probably gonna ruin the heatsink. Make sure you go up to get inside and get all the dust out. Make sure you get outside of the fan. So after that, make sure you grab the vacuum or can of air. Make sure you spray it from the back, or spray it all over the place. You can see there's a lot of dirt, or a lot of dust. So it will be nice and clean when you starting it up. Make sure you get it around the disk drive. Make sure you spray it from here. After you've done everything, make sure you put the plate back on. Make sure this thingy here goes in first, goes under this power supply, and drop it down. So after you've done that, it's gonna be a little bit wobbly. So make sure you take the power supply and push it down. And after that, make sure you take the screws back in. So after that, make sure you guys put the silver plate back on, like I'm doing right now. Make sure you be careful and put these screws back. And just screw them on. That's it. Okay, so when you get everything put back into place, make sure you put make sure you clean this, make sure you use a toothbrush or whatever that you want to use. Make sure you take off the dust off under the case, off the lid, just in case. Okay, so after that, put this back on. Make sure the front will be sticking out. Make sure you put the front in first, where the PS4 logo is. Make sure you put it down and slide it in. No, actually no. I'm sorry. So the back, goes down first. Slide it in, and you can hear the clicks. So so basically that's how you clean the PS4 inside. But if you want to like get all these gunk on the sides here, under there, here, here, and here. So make sure you use a toothbrush to take out the gunk, all the dust out. Here, the front looks really bad. Bam. Make sure to use this to get in the ports. Outside here. Make sure you get in the PS4 logo, in the Sony logo. And go from the back, well, on the sides. Make sure you use this too to take out the dust out. So yeah, if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you guys hit the like button if you guys want more of these tutorials how to clean like an Xbox 360 or other consoles that you guys want me to do. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe, and comment more. Well, comment if you guys want more of these. And yeah, peace.